Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn division of integers and some problems in exercise 1.2 of our first chapter, integers. So already you learned the multiplication of integers, right? So in the multiplication, if both the integers have same symbol, then the result will be positive. And if both the integers have different symbols, the result will be negative. So here we will see, actually this is our check your progress problem. Here see 25 plus 25 divided by plus 5. You know the division, right? 25, 5. 5 5s are 25. So this is also plus and this is also plus. To get plus, the quotient also plus. So this is plus 5. Next, second one, we have to divide 42 with minus 6. Here the divisor is minus 6 and the dividend is plus. Okay. So minus 6 to be multiplied with what number to get plus 42? 6 sevens are 42, you know, but this must be positive. So this is minus 7. Minus into minus only, no, plus. So here the quotient is minus 7. Next, our third one, 75 minus 75 divided by 15. So 15 5s are 75 plus 75. But here we have minus, right? So minus 5. Then only we get minus. So minus 5. And the fourth one, minus 27 have to be divided with minus 3. So minus 3 is divisor, minus 27 is dividend. So to get this minus 27, by which number we have to multiply 3? 3 9s are 27. So minus 3 into 9 means minus 27. Both the numbers have different symbols. One is minus and another. So here the quotient is plus 9. Okay. So now you see these 4 problems. So what we can conclude is, if both the integers have same symbol in the division, then the quotient also positive. Then the quotient is positive. If both the numbers in the division, if both the integers in the division is having different sign, then the quotient will be negative. Same as in multiplication. If both the integers in the division has same symbol, then the result will be positive, whether these are minus or plus. If both have different symbols, one is minus and another one is plus, then the quotient will be negative. So now we will see exercise 1.2 problems. Now we will see our exercise 1.2 first problem. Here the problem, calculate the following. So this is division of integers actually. Calculate the following. Total 10 problems are there here. So we'll see now. So here basic concept we have to be keep in your mind is, if both the integers have same sign, the answer will be plus. If both the integers have different sign or symbol, then the answer will be minus. Okay. So now we will see what is our first problem. Our first problem, minus 96 divided by 16. So here both the integers have different signs. So the answer will be negative. 16 6 are 96. So it is minus 6. Here you see both the integers have different signs. So the answer is negative. 49 2s are 98. 4 2s are 8. That means 42s 80. 9 2s are 80. So totally 98. So minus 2. So here also both the integers have different sign. So the quotient or answer must be negative. 17 3s are. I think you all are know tables, students. You have to be perfect in tables. Then only you can feel these problems as easily. So here you see both the integers have different signs. So the answer will be negative. 19 2s are 38. So this is minus 2. Here in the fifth one also both the integers have different signs. So the answer will be, or the quotient will be negative. So 2 4s are 8. 24 is 80. So minus 4. Here you see both the integers have same. Whether it is plus or minus, these both are same. So the answer will be plus, right? So 25, how many times of 25 we get 150? 25 sevens, not 25, 6 I think. 25 4s are 100. So 25, 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12 plus. So 25 divides 150 6 times. So here both the numbers have different sign. The answer will be negative. 60 tens are 600, right? If you can see this 0 and 0, 6 tens. So minus 10. Next, here both the integers have different signs. So the answer will be negative. 9 6 are 54. So that is minus 6. Here both the integers have same symbol. So the answer is positive. You know 6 2s are 12. That means 60 2s are 120. 5 2s are 10. So finally it is 130. So it is plus 2. And here is our last one. Minus 315 divided by minus 315. Here both the integers have same symbol. So the answer will be plus. Whenever you divide the number with the same number, we get 1 only. Right? So 315 ones are 315. So it is plus 1. So like this we can calculate the integers division or division of integers. Now we will see our second problem also in this exercise. Now we will see our second problem in the exercise 1.2. The problem is the product of two integers is minus 165 The product of two integers is minus 165. If one number is minus 15, find the other integer. So, on reading the problem, you should able to write the steps. The product of two integers, minus 165. That is our first one. And next what they give? One number is equal to minus 15. So, one number is minus 15. We have to find out the other integer. So, the number which we have to be find out is x6. Okay, just we are assuming, we don't know what is that number. So, for that, we are assuming the second number is x. So, for that, let the other integer is x. So then the product of two integers, right? One is minus 15 and the other is x is equal to minus 165. We have to find out this x value. For that, we should transpose this minus 15 to RHS. So here minus 15 is under multiplication. After transposing, it comes under division. Okay. So if both the integers in the division has same symbol, then the answer will be plus. That means this minus and minus get cancelled. Okay. So 15. So we have to divide 165 with 15. 15 tens are 150, right? So now you see 15 ones are 15. So 15 ones again 15s. So how much? It is 11. So what is the x value? 11. So therefore the other integer or second integer is equal to 11 plus 11. So I think you understand, students. Now we will see our third problem also. Now we will see our third problem. Here the problem is, because of COVID-19, a company locked down for 6 months and got loss of rupees 1,32,000 in the year 2020. Find the average loss of each month. Okay. In the year 2020, that means in your 6th class, lockdown came now. So on in that lockdown, a company got loss of rupees 1,32,000. So how many months that lockdown went on? 6 months. Okay. The question is, find the average loss of each month. Okay. So by reading the problem, I wrote the steps. So number of months company locked down is equal to 6 months. Loss got by company for 6 months, rupees 1,32,000. So average loss. Here they gave more, right? That means for 6 months they gave, and we have to find out for 1 month. That means we have to find out less. So when they give more values and we have to find less value, the division will be done. Okay students, are you understanding? మనకి ఎక్కువ ఇచ్చి తక్కువ కనుక్కోవాలి అని అడిగినప్పుడు డివిజన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే. సో యావరేజ్ లాస్ ఆఫ్ ఈచ్ మంత్ ఫర్ 6 months this quantity, or we will see a small example. 3 pence cost is 15 rupees. So then what is the cost of 1 pen? Everyone can answer. It is 5. 3 5s are 15. How this 5 came? By dividing 15 with 3 only, right? Similarly, average loss of each month is equal to this 1,32,000 by 6. So divide 132 with 6. 6 2s are 12. So here 1, this 2 comes here. Again 6 2s. So this is 22. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So per month, how much loss? Rupees 22,000. So average loss of each month is equal to rupees 22,000. So I think you are understanding this problem, students. Please like this video and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.